friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching this type of contents, just keep on watching. And in today's video, I'm going to share a incoming swap from Mommy and Me Crafts. I participated in this swap, so I'm going to unbox what I received. Hello my crafty friends. We are here to show you the swap that I got from Patty, Mommy and Me Crafts. She hosted a fantastic cookies for Kringles swap here in Instagram and YouTube. So let's go ahead and take a look of what I got. So the requirements were to make and receive one December daily insert, memory decks card with a recipe on the back, and also a couple of die cuts as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. And I believe this is from Patty Alpine, and she is in Instagram as Patty Likes to Craft, and she also has a YouTube channel, Patty Likes to Craft. So I'm gonna leave all the links to their social media accounts in the description box below for all the crafters. So let's take a look. And I love this in binding. I don't have this color, which is pretty good. I have it now. And look at these. Ooh, I love the texture of these. Nice. And I believe this is her, I don't want to make this video that long. This is her, oh, she sent extra. She sent sequin mix, then some cute doodads here, and nice die cut. And I love these chocolatier or board, and love these two as well. Very cute. And then this is her memory decks card. Super cute. Look at this, a recipe. I love the bow, and on the back is the recipe: microwave peanut brittle. Perfect. Love that. And these are her die cuts. Love it. Look at this house ornament, the booty, stocking, and then these kind of like cookie, ginger cookies, die cuts. And I love these snowflakes, super cute. Now let's take a look at her December daily insert. Oh, and it jingles too. Oh, look at this, how cute. I love it. And so we got like almost 4. Not almost, we got 4. When I say we, you know, I got, right? And I love how she decorated this front page, so I can put my photos here and there. And I love this one, photos or journaling. And I love these, oh my goodness. This is like a waterfall where I can put the pictures, photos, and I love that. And there's something here, looks like a, oh, how cute, how cute, like a bookmark. And I love the charms in the bookmark. And then on the back, love these two as well, some of the ephemera from the collection. And then I love this taggy, how cute, 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 cute. So this is from Patty. I'm gonna move these around here so I can take pictures later on. And then the next one, this one, it is from Sandy, Planner Shop Sandy, and love her pen and the trim. Oh, I got this Kringle here and there. She gave me some candy. And love. So this is from Sandy. Oops. Again, I'm gonna leave the information in the description box below. You know, she has also a shop. And let's take a look at the memory dex car. How cute. I love it. And then the back, it's chocolate chip cookies, super cute. And these are, love it, the tray. And look at this Gingy, how cute. Oh my goodness, love it. And these are all her die cuts here and there. Super duper cute. And then her insert, it's a house, some of the ephemera from the collection. Love this Gingy. And then on the back, the apron, a tag, and I love these, calendar, super cute. And then it has a dangle. Love it. So this is from Sandy. Now let's take a look at the next one. Next one is, I'm gonna come back and open this up. Just a moment. Okay, so I came back and look at all these. How nice. Love it. So I also got this one too as well. And let's take a look at this beauty. My goodness. I remember the video that Patty was showing. My goodness. You know, video is nice, but it's nothing like in person, right? And this is so beautiful. And I want to see who sent that. It's probably in the card. And I just love her card that I don't want to oh, this is so cute, this card. I'm going to reuse it. And I love these. How nice. Beautiful. And let's open this up. Look at this, how gorgeous, stinking cute. Love all these details. Look at that. Oh, she is so talented. Look at that. These are her die cuts. How nice. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Super cute. Here's a recipe. Oh my goodness. Oh, Gail Glam Designs. That's her. And then over here, does it open? It opens, right? Oh, it opens. My goodness. This is her recipe. How cute. Love it. Look at all these details. And then here, I believe I open this up. Of course, I'm messing things up right now. I don't want to destroy it. No. And over here, she sent a goodie, gorgeous stickies. Oh my goodness, look at these. Like a cookie icing Christmas ornaments. And here is a tag. How gorgeous. This is a work of art. And I believe there's more. There's more. Oh yes, there we go. So, oh, there's more. Oh yes, there is more. My goodness. Here is her memory dex card. It's so cute. Love it. And then I just in love with the cover of these. How nice. And I know there's something more over there. And for some reason, or no, there's nothing more. I think that was part of the ephemera, not the ephemera, but the whole kit. And this is just such a elaborated piece. very unique, super cute. Thank you. I just love it. And then the final one, look at this huge package. Gotta open it up. And this is from Debra Zaga in Instagram. And my goodness, I love this shaker. I love this die. Love it, love it, love it, because I don't have it. And I love the packaging. So cute. Look at this gingy. And let's open this up so I don't. And I love, oh, I've never seen these huge, kind of like doily. I'm gonna save these, of course. And I love these. This is like a plastic kind of like envelope, sort of. And then inside comes her swap. So let's take a look at the memory dex card with the recipe. I love her memory dex card. Look at the charm. And then the recipe is here. And her recipe is it's jalapeno cranberry sauce recipe. I love it. How original. And this is a holly peg, super cute. And I just love these whisk, super cute. Again, this is from Debra. And her die cuts, look at her die cuts. I love this pudding. They look like sugars. Ornament. I love this gingy because I don't have that gingy die. And then ho ho ho. I believe this is a word or a back topper. How cute. Cute. And this is her insert. Nice. So now I can complete my December daily or December journal that I put together the other day. And love it. Love it. Look at this. How gorgeous. So how gorgeous. And let me open this up a little bit. So it's, you can open this up a little bit and it's very interactive. Here is a taggy with some ephemera, and then I'm gonna put this in here back again. And then the back, a pocket with some die cuts, and this is so gorgeous. Oh, beautiful. My goodness. So this was a swap. Wow, a lot of stuff, huh? So I'm trying to put everything in frame because I'm going to be taking pictures later. So I don't want things to be confused. So here it is. So thanks again for watching, my crafty friends. I'm going to leave the social media accounts of these talented crafty ladies in the description box below. Just give a like and go ahead and follow them, their Instagram and YouTube accounts if they have one. And thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.